Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asyraf bin Zainal. I am from Electrical Engineering Faculty, course BEKG. Now I will explain about what I did during my internship period at Kamaya Electrical M Sdn Berhad. Now I will share the screen. Kamaya was established in Japan on October 1957, and in May 1991, Kamaya was established as manufacturer of chip resistor in Malaysia, based in Ipoh, Perak. Kamaya Electric business is about production and sales of electronic components. The type of product that Kamaya manufacture is chip resistors, lead resistor, chip fuse, alternator, and ESD. This is the factory map of Kamaya. Kamaya has three separated buildings known as Factory A, Factory 1, and Factory 2. I was placed in the Factory 1. Factory 1 did the chip resistor. This is the process of chip resistor, and I was placed under the separation process. The function of separation process is to break the strip into individual chip form. This is the step for the separation production process. Okay, I need to check the appearance of the chip by using a microscope. I need to beware to avoid the double chip. I need to look on the microscope carefully to avoid the chip double or chip NG. If there is a chip double and chip NG, I need to do again the 3 strip on the machine until I got the chip good. And then lastly, I need to calculate to get the yield and to get the broken lot and key in data in the system. When I run the lot on the machine, there must be a problem on the machine, and then I need to troubleshoot the problem by my own self. Actually, there is the instruction on the screen of the machine. And from there, I can use the instruction to troubleshoot the problem. Example like this: the strip stuck at the after wheel. The wheel cannot bring up the strip, and the solution is I need to arrange the strip properly. Data collection on KM separation machine. Why I did this data collection? The reason is because we want to know the ability of every machine. If we want to achieve the target weekly and monthly, we need to know the ability of every machine. So with this data collection, we know we can get the result. I did the data collection for duration for one strip run from the start input process until the end. And strip per minute, I need to calculate how many strips have been cut for 1 minute process. This is the data that I got from this data collection. The data collection is very important because we want to know the ability of the machine. Lastly, my job scope, I did design. This is the task that I have been given from my supervisor. I need to design the something to modify it. So, for example, this buff machine is only fit for 1 liter barrel. This is 2 liter barrel. Because of the size is big from the previous 1 liter barrel, so the buff machine cannot fit it. And I need to think how we want to put properly for 2 liter barrel. This is my design. This is my design for the table. How we want when the operator using this table, the operator using the tissue during the process to put the chip resistor and silicon inside the barrel. The barrel is put in the water trolley. The trolley has water. When the operator bring up the barrel, and indirectly the water will fall on the table, and the operator will swipe the table using the tissue, and the table will look messy. This is my idea. We put dustbin and water catchment. Okay, for this design, the original, the table is use the cardboard, and my idea to replace the cardboard with a steel and use a slider to push and pull the door. I suggest to use an automatic door because it will easier the work for the operator because every time they want to stock the product on the machine, they need to set a time. If the machine door is automatic, so the operator will just put the product and no need to monitor. This is my design. Lastly, I need to design the table for one spinning machine. The design was asked from the leader, and I need to design it based on what they want. This is my design. The conclusion, from my internship, I increased my confidence level during doing a task. A lot of time to Kamaya because this opportunity for my internship, I can gain a lot of knowledge about the engineering, about the electrical, and about the electronic. I can manage the time properly to finish the task that has been given, and I gain the knowledge about the chip resistor manufacture and learn how to work under pressure. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.